Hi friends, a Parallax website, a one-page Parallax website can give you a advanced modern website for your business, and you can create such website in no time without having any technical knowledge. So you don't need to collect much text, much information for your website, and you can start with such website very quickly, and it is also equally modern and attractive. So this is a Parallax website. I can show you some more. These are some layouts that I have, and all these websites are using a theme called Ananke. So Ananke is a one-page Parallax WordPress theme. So we have seen multiple themes on this channel, Parallax theme, and there are many other options. I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, you may please subscribe. So this theme particularly, Ananke, is a one-page Parallax WordPress theme, and you can create a great one-page business website using this theme. And the reason being this theme on this channel, this is coming from a very popular theme development house that is from Ocean Themes, and they are of course Power Elite author. So Ananke is a modern and creative premium WordPress theme. Design theme is the made as a beautiful style. So this is of course some description you can read through the video description link. You can buy the theme through the video description link. That is an affiliate link. So once you buy the theme, you can join that I Create program, and we are going to support you in every manner in making your website live and up. So all is for you, and in this video we are going to create this wonderful one-page Parallax website using the theme called Ananke. So we have two options, like these are dark options available with this theme, and the same look is also available in the light option. So dark version and light versions are available. You can choose out of any of these pre-made websites. Installation is going to be so simple, and we can easily create the website. This is a core installation of WordPress, and as usual I am using the cPanel based WordPress optimized hosting plan. You can buy the same through WP Themes website. Again, the link is in the description. And I am going to show you the theme pack as well. In the theme pack you get the RTL options as well. So if you are using the theme for RTL website, it is separately available. It is a great thing. Data export is here. So dark version, light version data is here just in case if you need to import the demo contents manually. And next I can see documentation, licensing, some plugins are here. So Visual Composer, Portfolio, Slideshow, One Click Demo, and Revolution Slider. So these plugins are in the theme pack, and the installable theme file, child theme file, and the changelog. So all theme pack elements are very useful, and you can use any of these elements as per your requirement while you are installing the theme. So we are going to use this ananke.zip file for our installation purpose. Installation is always common in WordPress, and this is the core installation of WordPress, and it is running the default 2023 WordPress theme on the latest version. To proceed with the installation, we can simply go to the appearance section and themes. We can click on add new theme, upload theme, and here we need to choose the installable theme file. Ananke.zip. This is only the installable theme file. Don't try to upload the complete folder. It is going to be a mistake. So simply select ananke.zip, click on install now, and it will install the theme in just few seconds. Yes, it is right. So theme installed successfully, and we can go to the theme page. Ananke is here along with the default theme. To check further details, Ananke 3.9.5 is here by Ocean Themes. So I must tell you, Ocean Themes are the original developer of this theme, and the theme is available at themeforest.net through the video description links. Okay, to proceed further, we can activate the theme, and upon activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see what is here. So these 4 plugins are required, and rest are recommended. So total 8 plugins this theme requires. Revolution Slider for hero images. This is for importing the demo content, and it is for creating slideshow. This is showing portfolio. Visual Composer is the page builder that has been used, and the Redux is the framework that has been used. Metabox and the Contact Form 7 is also. So the Redux framework works very fine, and it brings a very fast websites. So I am selecting all these plugins, all selected. I'm selecting install and clicking on apply. This may install all 8 plugins that we need for this theme. 4 are required and 4 are recommended, as I said. And once all plugins gets installed successfully, we can proceed further for creating demo website using the Ananke WordPress theme. So as we seen, the theme is very, very modern in look, and we can target this website. This matte look is actually looking very fine, and the anchors of pages gives user a very, very modern approach to serve the website. Okay, so now I can go back. Okay, wonderful. So all 8 plugins got installed within a minute or so, I think. Yes, so it is all green here, and we can come back. And this is time when we have to activate all the installed plugins. So I am selecting all again, selecting activate, and now clicking on apply. This will activate all the installed plugins in a single click. Wonderful. So we have installed the theme, all set up plugins. Click on the dashboard just to check whether we need any further action. So you might be thinking the installation process is very simple. Why you are watching this video? It is important because before buying the theme, you cannot see all these things, and you have to judge your theme properly. What actually you can do with the theme, what is laying inside the theme, what is the features that is bundled with the theme. So it is very important to watch the complete video for selecting this theme or any other theme. So this is the purpose of the video, to give you complete overview about the theme or plugins or what is available here. So all here I can see some options are here, and I am going to show you all of these options. And now I am going to check our website how it looks with the theme and our setup plugins. Okay, so this is the basic look, and it don't have any content. So this installation needs demo content for making a target website like any of these. We have many options as we see. So to proceed further for importing the demo content, I'll find the option to import the demo content, and under Ananke options I can see demo importer is here. So I can simply click on this, and it is going to give us the option where we can import the demo. So this is the dark version and the light version. As per your choice, you can choose any. I'm choosing the dark one, so I'm simply clicking on import demo, and this will start the demo import process. Best if used on a new WordPress install. Yes, we are using a new install. Images are for demo purposes only. That is fine. So we have to wait on this screen without disturbing the screen, without hitting the back button. And a wonderful website is on the way. We have to wait here, and it is going very fast. The progress bar is showing everything, and we can expect a fine website within a minute or so. And after importing the demo, it hardly took 2 minutes for me. We are here at this screen, and it is showing transmitting data, and Redux will send the debug information found on the site health screen, and just in case. So the miscellaneous setting option is here, and the footer setting, styling options, demo importer and all. So we can simply save the change, I believe, and it's still transmitting the data, but I will hit on save changes, or let us first refresh this page just in case if we have received all the things. All can be good. Yes, wonderful website is here. Yes, wonderful. So I cannot see the menu somehow. I believe it is still under process. It is still transmitting the data. I'll simply hit on save changes. Setting saved. Setting had changed. You should save them. Errors were on. Warnings were on. Okay, that is fine. So this is all, and we have successfully installed the theme along with the demo, and these are some basic settings that is available here, and we can go further for next settings and customization options. So I can see most of the things are here only. We don't need to go and like miscellaneous settings here. Okay, so this is miscellaneous setting like animation off and on layouts and the Google map. Preload setting we can set here under miscellaneous setting. It is preload settings, and the logo and fav icon, header, typography, blog. So these are basic settings. Footer you can set, styling option, demo importer we have already used, and everything is here. And we have successfully installed the theme along with the demo. So but somehow menu is not here. So what we can do, we can try to make it here. So it is showing not secure. First of all, so for menu, we can simply create menu. As I can see, there is no menu items is here, so I can show you. So menu items is not here, so we can simply test by checking all these items and save menu. Menu pages is here, and I can see the main menu home only. Menu home only used for home page. Okay, so we can select this, and we can just check some items here. So I'm going to refresh this. Okay, so it is fine, and since it is not linked, so we just need to put the the link that is called anchor link. So it is all going to be fine. So you might be aware how you can set menu and all. Just in case if you need any support, we are here. Don't worry. So we have this complete website now, and all items are looking very fine, and we can simply go further for editing the content. And it is really very important to change the permalinks first of all. And I'm going to remove the items first. So bulk select and the remove selected items. And under settings, we have to set the permalinks. It is really very important. So post name is here, and we can set the permalink. Now our website is here, and we can go for further customization of this website. We can create menus, header, area, and the header section itself. So you can see all the sections like header setting is here. Menu item color you can decide, background, header, aesthetic, color and all. So all options are here, don't worry, and you can create all these things at your own. And I create theme is here for support you. Now for editing the slider part, you have to head on in the slider evolution section, and you can edit the hero image section, that is the slider in this section. So just be careful when you are editing the slider. You have to use the same dimension of image and same length of text that had been used in the demo. And just in case if you are not confident, you can take a backup using this duplicate option. Coming back to the dashboard, I'll show you the edit page option. This is home page. For rest of the part, you can simply edit this WP Bakery page builder. For editing the content, simply click on the pencil icon on the respective area, and you will be able to edit the content. So all is under control, and you can simply edit the contents at your website. So this is a single page website, and it is going to be very simple. And even you can use the backend editor just in case if you want to do so. So the backend editor may be more convenient for you. Like this is slider revolution area, the arrow down buttons and all. So area can be edited simply here by clicking on the pencil icons, and you can upload the media as well. So I believe this video remained helpful in understanding all the contents and the installation process, the basic customization options of the theme called Ananke. This is one page Parallax WordPress theme. And you will be able to create a wonderful website using this theme. And in the next video, I'm coming with more solution for WordPress websites. So don't miss any video. Any of the coming resource may be really helpful for your website as well. Let us meet in next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep building. Thank you.